What's going on? How y'all doing? It's your boy Jordy C. Back again with another video. Today we are going to be reviewing a new brush that I just purchased. It's called the Annie Curved Bristle Brush. The Annie's a pretty well-known brand in the brush world, I guess. Pretty good products, you know, as far as I know. From my experience, if y'all have had different experience, let me know. Drop it in the comments, whatever. But this has been my experience with these products over the past, over the years. And so I'm pretty certain that it'll be a good product, but we're gonna find out right now. So I won't waste too much time. Follow me. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna feel my hair and make sure it's moist. It feels pretty moist. Let me give it a good brush. There's no hair coming out, no flakes. So I know that my hair is moisturized, and I moisturized it this morning. I washed it, last night. So I know it should be pretty moisturized. And now I'm gonna start brushing. I won't waste too much time. Let's go ahead and start brushing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 20 strokes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's definitely hard because I had to slow down for a little bit because it was starting to hurt. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I got the mirror in front of me, so I can see what's behind me. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I gotta awkwardly hold it because I'm not used to using these, man. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Alright, so now we're done brushing, and now we're gonna put the do-rag on. The do-rag, yeah. So this is the most important part, as always. .360 waves, bam, locked in. Y'all locked in. And now I'm gonna leave this on for a few hours. I'm planning on being in the house for a little bit. I don't plan on going out today, so probably wear this for a few hours. But yeah, I hope you all have a good day. Thank you for watching. This is a very good brush. It's very well put together. It's hard. When I was at the beauty supply store, they had a lot of this kind of brush, this brand and everything, but it's just, softer textures. So they do have soft and medium textures as well. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hit the notification bell and definitely subscribe. Definitely, share the video. Definitely leave comments if you have any tips for me. And I hope y'all have a good day. Be safe out here and God bless. Peace.